Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. It's Saturday morning, so happy Saturday. I'm actually happened to find a side of the road campsite that was open, so I'm just checking it out. The only problem is, and you'll be able to hear it in a moment, cars, and a lot of them. I can turn the camera, show you. I've actually shot videos here before. This is where I shot my improvised lid video. Well, you can see the road right up there. So, I mean, it is what it is because you're in the national forest. You know, man, I'm gonna pitch this tripod in the river, I swear. I love it, but it's just such a, every time I turn the camera, it's like, it's always crooked. Anyway, yeah, the road's right there. I mean, literally, I could probably just throw a pine cone and hit the road. So I'm gonna have constant road noise, constant cars. I walked down there to see if there was a better suited spot for my pup tent, which I brought. And but it's all wet in there, and there's, you know, standing water everywhere. So, and not really good spots. I was looking in this little area behind me here. There's a spot kind of up over there, but the spots aren't very, it's not very level, I should say. So I'm just kind of debating what to do. So if I had a buddy here with another car, we could leave a car here to hold the site while we go up and check out some other ones, and that would be fine. And then if nothing pans out up there, we can always come back here, which that would work if I had someone out here with me. But although I didn't really technically invite anybody, but it's not that I don't like this spot. I could go with my original plan, which was just to park on the road and then move everything into the woods and just go up to Raven Camp. But even then, I mean, I'm gonna hear cars the whole time, which, you know, it is what it is. Or I could just go up and try out that left side road. It's where I did my, when I was scouting for a new area, that's what I was up there doing, so. Ooh, almost 3 minutes. I guess I should quit rambling and get to frickin' work. I might go up the other road because it might be quieter traffic. Maybe I can find a good spot up there. Well, this is what's going to be my home for the night. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I did a video called Tarp Shelter with a wooden frame. And actually, I had it sitting right where the camera's pointing. And I was so I've actually camped here before. But then I remember I found a reason why I didn't want to come here anymore. Yeah. Pretty sure this was there the last time I was here. And they just threw it behind the log, and I hope that's coming through on camera. Yeah, it's a big pile of garbage. It looks like they burned it. I don't know what they were thinking, but why would you burn it right next to a wood line? So I think I'm just going to go to Raven Camp. Screw it. I know there won't be any trash there. Yes, I could clean it all up, but I shouldn't have to. I wish people would just pack it out. It's kind of... Whew. Finally out here. What I did is I'm at Raven Camp, in case I didn't say. I stopped. I literally stopped on the road because there's no place to park. Took everything out of the car, took it in the woods about 20 feet, stacked it, went and moved the truck to a better location that wouldn't be blocking the road. It's down the ways, not very far. Walked all the way back up. Excuse me. And then just cut into the woods, took 2 trips. I packed, and I'm going to show you my ridiculously big pack, but I packed so I could either car camp or I'd have to carry everything in. So I packed for versatility. Although when you see how much stuff I brought, you're probably going to think, dang dude, did you bring everything? Well, I guess I'll open it now because I gotta get my bugs. Alright, So here she is. And you're probably thinking, damn, you got everything under the sun in there. Well, not really. Everything is in here. Food, water, filtration, fire making, blades, everything but the military pup tent, which I'm going to go set up soon. But I got to find my bug spray. I got a bowl and mixed mannequin. Trying out a new product. It's a Country River Products fleece. I'm going to be trying this out for the first time. Just got it in the mail. There she is. I probably could have gotten a smaller bag, but or can. Let's see. Oh, I got in this sucker. Right here on top, this is some frozen, 2 freezer packs and some cold food. Empty bottle. Come on, mosquitoes. I got some drink mixes. I've got my buddy Dave had given me this. Let's see, I've got a Bannock mix. So my food's on top. Got 2 Bannock mixes. Come on, bugs. Dang. What are you, starved till I get to the woods? Some chicken, some ramen. I got 1 Mountain House beef stroganoff, one of my favorites. Some jerky to snack on. Or tender bits, excuse me. I got another chicken, but I also have the spicy ×2 hot ramen. So that'll be my lunch. I got my cast iron skillet to cook the bannock in. Leave me alone, mosquitoes. This is a Hidden Woodsman Possibles pouch. It's full of actually odds and ends. I got some got toothbrush, some olive oil to make the bannock, toothpaste, even though I'm only spending the night, spatula. Get the Hidden Woodsman signal panel in here, my spork in here, and this is something I'm going to be working on later. It's just an empty, I think this is empty. Maybe? No, I got some denim in here because I want to make char cloth today, or charred denim. It's some peanut butter, but I don't really have anything to go with it. I thought maybe I could just eat the peanut butter by itself, kind of a snack. I got my LT Wright GNS Hidden Woodsman model, which I'll probably end up wearing. I got tongs for fire, just because they're handy as hell. Batteries for the camera. Teepee, just because you never know. My MSR stowaway pot. And inside I've just got some fire making, some char tin, and a few other items because I'm going to do probably some separate videos. Bushcraft Black, today's backup knife. And my Possibles pouch, which has my, I got my medications. I've got cotton balls with a book of matches. I got a bunch of these drink mixes, whistle in case something happens. I got my headlamp, my Vaunt headlamp, batteries, hot chocolate for breakfast, more drink mixes, a spare SD card, toilet paper and MRE gum just in case, batteries for the headlamp. Got my cup for coffee, my measuring cup for the Mountain House, my Bigfoot Bushcraft fire making plugs. Thought maybe I'd do something with that. My pillow, my sleep system tonight. Bear spray, just because you never know. And then an Nalgene bottle full of water. That's it for that. And then down here, I've got a pair of work gloves. I'm gonna need those. I've got, this is just nothing but random cordage, just a paracord, some of this orange line. I probably won't even need any of it, but it never hurts to have cordage. Although I'd probably pack too much cordage. Sleeping pad. I'm gonna be sleeping in a tent. My first aid kit. my fire kit, my Cat9 Hiker Pro, my water filter. I just decided to bring it. And then I also got the Nalgene 96-ounce container to keep the water in. I've got my Flex Light chair. Yeah, it's heavy, but you know, it's worth it. And that's really about it for that. And then on the last but not least, I've got my Snug Pack Jungle Blanket. So I'm going to be combining the blanket with the fleece. That should keep me warm tonight. And I don't think there's anything else in there. Nope, that is it. So, kind of a big loadout, but I think all my bases are covered. I even got some comfort items, which really adds a lot of weight. So, alright, so what I also got too is aside from my flannel for later tonight when it's chilly, but I got a bow saw, my Grantsford's axe, and then the military tent. So I added to some of the loadout. As you can see, I brought 2 chairs. Like, well, that's stupid bringing that extra weight, but the thing is sometimes I get bored. After everything is said and done, I get bored sitting around, so I brought some projects to do. And if I decide to go over to that other camp, that other fire pit, and do some fire making videos, well, I can take this with me and just do videos over there, and I don't have to drag the flex chair around, because it's mostly just for sitting and just pure relaxation. So the extra weight now is worth it because I'm comfortable. And this is great for short-term sitting, but it kills my back after a long-term sitting. So, well, it is nice to sit down. It's hard on your back. But now I'm just super comfortable. Chill. So, plus like I said, I'm not that far from the car, so. I gotta cool down before I get busy on anything else. I gotta make a fire to make lunch. See what time it is. It's probably later than I wanted. Yeah, wow, it's already noon. Damn. I better put my phone on airplane mode so I don't kill my battery. I haven't set up my shelter yet. Airplane mode, turn on. Cool. I won't kill the battery. Yeah, it's already noon and I haven't set up my shelter yet. I should get busy. Getting eaten alive by bugs.